Burnout isn't just caused by one thing. However, toxic workplaces are still the number one cause of burnout globally. Over the years, though, I have created what I call the burnout equation, and that is toxicity minus your sense of self equals burnout. Minus your sense of self equals burnout. And work in toxic environments, we can stay in toxic situations, toxic relationships, toxic environments. We can cope with toxicity and not reach burnout. If we lose ourself, if we lose our sense of self, then we are more likely to get to the point of burnout. This loss of sense of self, I think, comes from a lot of things. Like sometimes it is our upbringing, right? How often, if ever, do we get asked who we really are? How often do we focus on who we are, what our values are, our strengths, our passions, our drivers, what makes us tick, what gets us out of bed in the morning? Tend to grow up and work in places where we are told these are the values and these are the behaviours. Very often are we given the opportunity to explore who we are, and very of us will find ourselves in situations where we're told to be less than, right? Be less whatever. And every single time we're told to be less than, and we then become less than, we are losing a part of us in the process. So toxic workplaces are still the number one cause of burnout globally. But if we look at it from the burnout equation, toxicity minus sense of self equals burnout.